Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable autoplay videos on Pinterest while using mobile data. If you want to have a full visual and interactive experience, whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data, this is the right guide for you. In the following steps, I will explain in detail how you can change the settings on the Pinterest app to enable autoplay videos even when using mobile data. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app and log into your account. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap your profile icon again in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, select the Social Permissions option. In this section, scroll down until you find the Autoplay Videos on Cellular Data option and then tap the switch next to it to enable it. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with friends who might also benefit from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all the latest tutorials and useful tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.